Hold on, we gotta check the hair first. Many of you have been following my house design series. I am so excited to finally share the finished results. Let's take a moment to think back on some of the things that it took to get to this point. It won't come out. Oh. Ta-da! This house has to be perfect. I will stop at nothing to make sure that it is. It's like they just want me to wave a magic wand. Well, I guess I can do that. There's just something so rewarding as a designer to look at the finished results and see all of the love and thought that has been put into every detail. It's not really one big thing, it's all of the little touches that help make this house a home. I really wanted to give plenty of spaces to decorate in this house. I put in so many shelves so that you can easily switch it out throughout the seasons. There is so many cool features like this remote controlled window treatment. There was this outlet on the fireplace and it really stuck out like a sore thumb. All I did was take a piece of paper the same color as the rock and it blends right in. You would never know it's there. I just think that is so cool. It all feels like it has a story behind it. And it feels like it says, come in and stay a while. I think that's what it feels like. As I always like to say, may your journey always lead you home. I might actually start crying. It'll be alright, it'll be alright. Thank you guys so much for watching my house design series. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.